Best external speakers for projector. Choosing the right external speaker for your projector can be a daunting task, but with the right information, you can make an informed decision. Here are some of the factors to consider. When it comes to enjoying your favorite movies and TV shows on the big screen, it's essential to have a sound system that matches the visual experience. While projectors provide an immersive visual experience, the sound they produce may not be enough for a cinematic experience. That's why investing in the best external speakers for the projector is crucial. In this video, we will take a closer look at the top external speakers for projectors available in the market. Number 1. Polk Audio Magnify Mini. Author's choice. Polk Audio Magnify Mini offers immersive sound that will take your movie, sports or music experience to the next level. These small but powerful speakers are designed to fit most projectors and feature Polk's patented SDA audio technology and 5.1 Dolby Digital encoding for the ultimate surround sound experience. With the included wireless subwoofer, you can fill your living room, bedroom or media room with multi-dimensional surround sound. Polk's exclusive voice adjust technology allows you to independently control voice level for clear, raspy, and delay-free dialogue. Set up the soundbar quickly and easily in minutes with the included HDMI and optical cable. The Polk Magnify Mini is a small soundbar that fits into any room. You can use the soundbar to connect your projector, your TV, or even stream music from your phone. Enjoy movie nights, sports games, or music sessions with the Polk Audio Magnify Mini projector speakers. Number 2. Edifier R1280T Powered Bookshelf Speakers. People's choice. Edifier R1280T bookshelf speakers are a great choice for those looking for great sound quality with a classic wood finish. They feature two aux input ports that allow you to connect two devices at the same time, so you can switch between sources without having to turn them on and off. The remote control and bass treble controls on the side of the main speaker make it easy to customize the sound quality. With studio quality sound, these Edifier R1280T bookshelf speakers are sure to enhance your music listening experience. Perfect for any home or office, these speakers are a great addition to your projector. Number 3. JBL Bar 5.1 Soundbar. Premium choice. JBL Bar 5.1 with wireless subwoofer is a top-of-the-line sound bar that offers great sound quality and easy connectivity. With built-in Bluetooth, you can easily stream music from your smartphone or other device. The 550W soundbar is equipped with a built-in Chromecast and AirPlay 2 function. It also features a wireless subwoofer for deep bass. It can also work with Alexa. If you are looking for an outstanding sound bar to enhance the sound quality of your projector, the JBL Bar 5.1 is a great option. Number 4. Vio V Series 2.0 Soundbar. Best budget. Vio V Series 2.0 soundbar is the perfect solution for enhancing the sound quality of your projectors. It has an ideal design for small to medium-sized rooms inside. The soundbar is equipped with two full-range drivers that produce crystal clear sound with a great room shaking effect. It also features DTS Virtual X sound enhancement for a virtualized floor-to-ceiling sound experience, and a wide frequency response range of 70 Hz 20 kHz. So you can hear what the artist intended. Easy to connect your projector with HDMI and ARC inputs. Enhance your projector's sound quality and bring movies, shows, music and more to life with the Vio V Series 2.0 soundbar. Number 5. Audioengine A2 Plus Wireless Speakers. Bluetooth speakers. Audioengine A2 Plus wireless active speaker offers exceptional sound quality, versatility and ease of use, making it the perfect addition to any home. The high-frequency driver has one important function: it reproduces sounds with a frequency of more than 8,000 Hz, thanks to its dual analog Class A/B monolithic amplifier, and 60W peak output power. The A2 Plus is capable of filling even large rooms with dynamic, nuanced sound. The speaker is also Bluetooth aptX compatible for superior sound quality, with a range of 2.5 meters 100 feet. If you're looking to enhance the sound of your projector, the A2 Plus wireless speaker is a great choice. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below.